think are the challenges India is going to face in moving to a cashless economy and truly going digital? Because digital identities and digital payments have been identified as, one of the 12 technologies that are going to change India over the next 10 years.
Absolutely. Firstly, thank you so much. It's an absolute pleasure for me to be here today in front of all of you. So yeah, to answer your question, I think the primary challenge that I see is consumer behavior. Because all of us in all stratas of life, we're so used to cash that actually moving into a cashless economy, there are trust issues, there are issues of literacy, so consumer behavior has to start changing. And I think that this will only happen in time and with the right literacy programs. So I can talk about it from Svatantra's point of view, which is a microfinance company that I had founded. We have started using, our complete process is cashless, and it sort of fits in with the government's aim of going completely cashless. We've got this system called the Aadhar Card payment scheme, which basically puts together the Aadhar card with their bank accounts. Now the Aadhar card uses the biometric system. So all our field officers have tablets which can sense biometrics, the consumer's biometrics. And immediately the payments are done. So we reduce all the KYCs, we reduce all the paperwork, so it de-risks completely. So the first stage, I think, the first challenge is rural India, which we are tackling through Svatantra as a team with, of course, other NBFCs, small financial banks, and MFIs. And I think the biggest challenge as a whole is consumer behavior, which has to change.
You're very young, you're empowered. What's your vision for India for tomorrow? What's your vision for the India of tomorrow?
Wow, that's very... there's so much. I think digital India is a huge one. I think there needs to be connectivity in all parts of India. Infrastructure is another really big one. I think we need to build our infrastructure, whether that's our roads, everything. Then there's electricity. Just basic needs is what we really need to work on. Because 67% of India is completely rural and semi-urban, and they don't have any of these basic requirements. So I think we need to go step by step, and of course we have these visions, but I think we need to really go step by step and to reach the goal. And I think literacy is also very important. So even for something like Digital India, all of us here may understand the term, but what does it really take to get there? What are we actually doing to get there? So I think there's a lot of learning that we have to do as well to understand what it actually takes to reach that Digital India, which of course is a great vision. So I think we have to understand exactly what's going on and then take action with small steps.